So I am in the barn at the moment. Just thought I would show you a bit of an update from my video showing you around the garden and all the outbuildings. So behind me here, we've built, as I say, just out of ply stations for tools, put the magnetic strips. They're just from IKEA, I think. To hang, and hooks to hang our various tools and bits and pieces. I say ours, I do mean my husband's. I'll just turn you around and show you a little bit of what else has been going on in here. And as you can see, we've just added bits and pieces to the shelves. It's far from finished, definitely far from finished, because my husband wants to get it more organized, everything sort of in its right place. And because he's been in the middle of building some steps for our bunk beds, it's obviously being used at the moment, so things are open and stuff like that. So yeah, that is just a little bit of an update on the barn, or what will be, you know, the workshop for my husband, his dream workshop. And I'll keep you posted and I'll update when it's looking more complete.
Next up was to unload our delivery of logs. They came in two massive, great big sackfuls, and the job to do was to get them all into the wood store, the log store, because if it isn't already obvious, it's been quite a drizzly, rainy old Saturday. So we had to get all the logs into the log store. I had my little helper friend there. He wasn't too happy about me filming him. It took three of us in the end, and a couple of hours with little breaks in between to get the log store full. And it makes me feel so good that come autumn, winter, they are there and ready to go when it starts getting a bit chilly here in Ireland. I actually found this date inscribed on the wall in the log store from I think it's at the 15th of October 1948, which I thought was really cool that it's been there for over 70 years. Can't believe I hadn't noticed that before. I hope you enjoyed this Slow Living Saturday video, and please do subscribe for more like this. Bye!